Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out here in a very cold shop here in Michigan in January, taking a look at the new car I purchased. This will be another probably project for the channel, but also my daily driver.
How neat is that?
So let's take a look at it. So this is my 2014 BMW 550i.
Nice.
This car is xDrive, so all-wheel drive M5-ish, kind of. Now this is probably one of the cheaper ones in the country. Running and driving, in really nice shape. I paid $1,700 for it.
Snap!
However, it did need the passenger headlight. It'd been in a little fender bender. You can see here the bumper's got a little crack in it. Nothing terrible, but the headlight was broken. Used headlight was $1,300. Great. LED headlights, gotta love it. Yeah, that was about it. The car has 184,000 miles. It is equipped with the twin-turbo V8, also known as the N63. Makes 400 and whatever horsepower from the factory. It is pretty quick. It's got the usual BMW issues where it smokes if you let it idle too long because it needs valve seals. That might be something we do with this car, might not. I'm really not sure. As you can see, it is in really good shape. It is black. The interior is black and dark brown, which is one of my favorite interior colors on these. M Sport package, so it's got the M Sport bumpers. It's got the Shadowline black trim around the windows. It's got tinted windows. And if we go on to the interior, you can see the black with the brown. It has the M Sport package, so it's got M Sport sills. It's got the sport seats that move 5,000 ways. Heated, cooled massaging seats. It's got the M steering wheel. It's got the Bang & Olufsen sound system. Overall, it's a really nice car. All right, so we're inside. Start her up. So there's no warning lights on the dash, other than it's really flipping cold. Yeah, almost 185,000 miles. And it does have heads-up display that you can't really see because the Furo's in the way. Turn this down. Has navigation, Bluetooth, all that wonderful stuff. I think it's got all the options. It's got lane keep assistance, blind spot, blind stop.
What you want?
Blind spot, alert, whatever you want to call it. I can't think for whatever reason when I turn on a camera. Let's go take a look under the hood. And here we are, under the hood, with the mighty N63 twin-turbo V8, 4.4 liters, 440 horsepower, I don't remember. This is the TU motor, so it's got some updates and stuff to it. Now you can hear it runs really good. Drives nice. I'm happy with it. If we lift up this cover, there's your twin turbos. This is a hot V setup where the exhaust is up in here. Intakes are down on either side. The downpipes, the catalytic converters go over the back of the engine. Interesting setup. Works well. So yeah, like I said, project for the channel. So I have some plans for this car. Want to do the usual BMW owner thing. I want to do colder intake. I want to do downpipes, a tune, probably some performance mufflers or even a muffler delete. Don't want to do too much because it is going to be my daily driver. So I want some reliability, which BMW V8 and reliability are not really where it's at. but cool car nonetheless. It'll be 600 horsepower if I do a tune and all that stuff. That's pretty good, and all-wheel drive. So you can't get an F10 M5 in all-wheel drive, and that's kind of what I want is an F10 M5. So this will fit the bill. It'll be good for a daily driver. So you can let me know if you want to see this stuff on this channel, because I know everybody's probably really confused because it's Furos and then it's a Pontiac 6000 wagon. There's toolboxes, just a little bit of everything. So it's kind of what my channel is about. So yeah, let me know if you want to see the stuff we do on this. I'll probably do it when it's not as cold because I can't feel my toes or fingers, and I've only been out here about 10 minutes. Anyway, plans for this year, I'd love to upload a lot more. I know I said that last year and it didn't happen. However, I am working on stuff in the background. I'm just not complete with videos. Like the pace car. I've actually done some work on this. As you can see, I got the subframe, control arms, all that stuff cleaned up, painted, back together, poly bushings on the control arms, new ball joints, tie rods, all that stuff. Subframe's ready to go. I'm at the point where I need to clean this engine and reseal it. It just got cold. I can't pressure wash out here in this not heated barn when it's 16 degrees outside. So look for that video here. God, if it ever warms up, I got to get the engine cleaned, resealed, bolt the transmission on this engine, put them back on the subframe. That'll be ready to go. That'll be a video, and then we will get on to the rust repair on this car. I have all the stuff to do it, just need the time. Also, still have the wide body. Got plans for this year too. I want to change around the front suspension setup because right now it's just cut springs. I want to lower it a little bit better. Raise the back end a little bit. I kind of want to take this to a track day, take it to the quarter mile, see what it runs, all that good stuff. The Trans Am. I also want to get this going, but trying to decide an engine on this thing. Obviously, we have an LS1 here from a GTO. Do I rebuild that and put it in it? My other thought was do a 3800 supercharged in this, because that seems to be something I like to mess with. The other thought that I have is a 4.3 liter inline six from like a Trailblazer. Put one of those in here with a turbo. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not too worried about this being, you know, a collector car or whatever. It's got an orange title. It had an engine fire. I just want to get it on the road. Don't really care about originality. I just want it to be a fun car. Let me know what you would like to see me build. Over here, this is the red Fiero. It's got a little bit of an oil leak. Need to redo the oil pan gasket yet again and change around the oil return from the turbo, because I think that's where a lot of the leak is coming from. So we got this to work on. I'm sure there's going to be some other stuff, but really I want to use this car more this year. Hardly used it at all last year. Also, we have the wagon. It's not in the shop right now because I got all this other crap in here at the moment. It's out buried in the snow. I actually want to do underglow on that thing. And I even have the underglow kit right here. Also, headlight switch for it. Want to clean it up. Got a few things left to do on the interior. And then that car will be, I don't know, pretty good. It's been pretty good. I daily drove it darn near all summer last year. Took it on a couple longer trips, like an hour one way. It's a pretty long trip for me. Did flawless. The only issue I had was the lights cutting in and out because the headlight switch is worn. So yeah. Also with that car, I'd like to take the wagon to the drag strip and see what it does. Maybe take it camping someday, because it is a station wagon. You could put an air mattress in the back and you could live out of it for a night. What else? Oh, Hot Rod Power Tour. It's pretty close to home this year, so maybe I'll go on that. Take the wagon, can camp out in the wagon all week. We'll run Hot Rod Power Tour. Don't know. Got some plans, just got to figure it out. Because I'd really like to grow this channel this year. I enjoy doing YouTube videos. I enjoy messing around with my cars. So I want to do more of that this year. Anyway, enough of me rambling on. Let me know what you want to see. Any suggestions, any ideas, what you don't like. Just let me know. Leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe. Doesn't cost anything. I'm gonna go warm up. Can't feel my hands. And that being said, I'll see you guys later. Take care.